up their way. Most of their way. Will you shut up? But you're on my friend. Can everyone also like that? Shut up, the idiot. Shut up. Most of their way. Can everyone also like the idiot? Whatever your father. Ever come also like that? One of you shut up there. You fake evil prophet. That's what you are. Fake. How dare you? You deceived me. You told me that all my children are evil. You told me that my first daughter, Choma, is bad luck. And nothing good can ever come out from her. That she's the one destroying my business. Why are you lying to people and giving them evil prophecy? Why?
Let me come together. Do not allow the spirit of Ishaka to kill you. How dare you enter here and say rubbish? Eh? Am I the one that directed you to my chamber? Do I know you before? You came here. You are the one that said that your first daughter was a bad luck. The bad luck came out from your mouth first. When I asked you what brought you to Ishanka, you explained and I concurred with you. Do I open my mouth and say that any of your child was a bad luck? Of course, no! It was the mindset that you came here with. Now, get out. Let another customer like you come in.
Excuse me?
Yeah?
What? Shut up, be aware. Another customer, so you deceive them like the way you deceive me. Okay?
I will be here. They will come. I do my job.
I'm okay.